soft and on chrome with the styrofoam.
Yeah, my goddamn compressor blew up. I got 2 good coats on it. Started putting out a lot of water, man. I don't have to flow coat it. I'm gonna have to get me another compressor and flow coat it. Cause back here, we put out a lot of water right here. See all that? That's water spots. So yeah. At least I got 2 good coats down, man, before it blew up on me. One monkey don't stop no show though, baby. We're gonna get this thing right. Ooh, wait. You see it. Jesus. Ooh, nasty, boy. They're gonna be showing up with it now. Six coats of clear, baby. Ain't no games. Yes, sir. You see it. I put that wet coat down. I mean, not the wet coat, but that flow coat. Woo-woo. I let it dry. I wet set it. Came back. Put 3 more coats, man. 3 more coats, baby. You see the wetness. Woo-woo. Yes, sir. Don't play, boy. This ain't no game.
Alright, September the 18th, baby. Just laid down 3 more coats on top of the 3 coats that I already had. You know what I'm saying? I went back in what you would call a flow coat. Yeah, a lot of y'all might want a job like this, bruh, but y'all don't want to pay for a job like this, bruh. You know, a job like this is gonna cost you probably about $65,000 to $8,000 for a job like this with this color on this type of vehicle. So when you come to me, have your money right. Don't be frowning all up when I give you a price, because that's gonna be my price. Ain't no bargaining, ain't no discounts, ain't none of that, bro. It is what it is. You don't like my price? Take your ass down the street. You know what I'm saying? I'm just being blunt with you. Take your ass down the street. And this is my price, man. This is what I charge. I've been doing this for a long time, bro. I ain't no shade tree dude. Hey, it is what it is. I am who I am. You know what I'm saying? So if you want a job like this, I'll let your boy. I'm gonna get you right. But let's go around this thing and see what it look like. Woo wee! Yes, sir. Like I say, man, you get what you pay for, man. You get what you pay for. Yeah, I went back on this thing, put 3 more coats of that wet down, man. That MS-42. For y'all painters, y'all know what that is. Yeah. Yes, sir. These pieces that go up here, I've already painted those. I didn't go back and flow coat those. But yeah. And look, more water came out. It's all good. Because when I went back and wet sanded it, I didn't get all the water off of it. Well, I didn't dry it good enough. And so water came from right here and got on the panel. But I can wet sand all that out. So it's all good. You know what I'm saying? It's all good, baby. But yeah. Woo-wee. Hey, man. Holla at your boy, man. Mr. 251-455-5644. Holla at your boy if you want to get sprayed, man. You know what I'm saying? Holla at your boy. Look at that, man. I even got the toe hitch wet on this thing, man. We're going to have them boys sliding on the highway, man. You know what I'm talking about? Yes, sir. Yeah, but here go those other pieces. As you see, I got them wrapped up, so I wouldn't go get overspray on them. But I didn't re-clear those. I only re-cleared the truck to give it that wetness, man. And I got a lift kit. Well, yeah. Anyway, I ain't gonna say about that. But yeah. Woo-wee. That thing's wet, baby. Yeah, it ain't dry quite yet. No, it ain't. Yeah, it's still a little tacky. I just got through spraying it, man. Just got through spraying it. Like I said, today's Saturday, September the 18th. This is when I re-cleared it probably about 30 minutes ago from doing this video right here. But yeah, man, if you want a paint job, like just holler at your boy, man. I'm gonna try to get you right. I'm gonna try to get you right. No, I'm gonna get you right. I'm gonna get you right. Alright, I got a little secret for y'all out there in the paint world, man. See this right here? This gator back texture plastic coating? Man, this stuff is the truth. Take a look at it now. See what it does, right? It permanently recolors these things right here. You know, any kind of little plastic that done faded, that right there gonna do the job. No sanding required. It sticks to plastic, TPOs. All you gotta do is use this wax and grease cleaner that comes with it. Wipe it all down. Look at it. It even got an Avalanche on there. So you know it's for the Avalanche. But any plastic that you got that's faded like this, you want to, you know, restore that black finish to it. That's it right there, buddy. That is it. So all these pieces on my Avalanche, the little cowl part, I'm finna redo that. Bumper pieces. That actually goes to the cowl part too. And these 3 bed covers that go on the back. So let's get it done. No more chalkiness, man. Chalkiness. Yeah, made them pieces look good. See that? Look at that. Ooh wee. Look good, don't it? Yeah, look factory. Fresh. I was gonna hit it with like my other bumping cladding coat and then come back and spray it black and have it shiny. But yeah, I changed my mind on that. Yeah, that flat look better. Mm-hmm.
almost done.
Take my money, you can smoke my blunt. These Jordans, you can say you hate me. Call me crazy, but don't touch my truck.
That's right. I want to send this out to all the Chevy riders out there.
Don't touch my truck.
I'm finna bring it back for all y'all Ford truck riders out there. Let's go.
Don't touch my truck.
See, we some real Texas boys out here. You know what I'm talking about?
Touch my truck.
I'm trying to find me a Ford F-150 right now. You know what I'm talking about?
Don't touch my V8 engine with the windows tinted. Came from the bottom, got it out the